Hi everyone, my name is Sasha Kurban. Welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my videos. And to make your life easier, I created Traceable. So I'm gonna show you how I transfer them on a canvas. So let's go. For transfer my traceables, I'm using black carbon paper and white carbon paper. So we're gonna start with the black carbon paper. I'm gonna choose the size of traceable. So I printed this one. You can print in any size. So you should always face the shiny side down and the matte side up. So that's good. You can also use a color pencil or pen so you can see where you're tracing. Voila, this is a black carbon paper. So I'm using white carbon paper. So you always should face the shiny side down. So we're going to choose our traceable. So place your paper here. Place it like that. You can fix it with a sticker or something to hold it, but I usually just hold with my hand. And we're going to use the pen, colorful pen or pencil or anything sharp. So let's go. And this is the result. So you've got black carbon paper and white carbon paper. You can buy it on Amazon or AliExpress as well. You can print my traceable bigger or smaller. That is good for big size. That one is for smaller size. So smaller size is 7 to 9.5 inches, which is 1824 centimeters, and this is bigger size, it's 11.9 inches, which is 24 to 30 centimeters. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked my video and see you soon.